Hi, this is Tim from Rust and Restorations. I'm going to show you some rust repair that I do on a Suburban, and kind of not as involved as I usually get. You're going to see it in a different beginning stage or an end stage, but I'm not going to show you exactly how I'm doing all of it, but I'll talk about it in the next video coming up. And we're going to show you our trip. We're going to go find some parts today. And what else are we doing today?
Lighting something on fire.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna try not to light something on fire.
We're gonna be seeing if this spray that you can put inside of your weld panel, inside of your repair piece, to rust proof it. We're gonna see if it lights on fire when you weld on the other side. So
today I'm gonna be working on an 06 Chevy Suburban. Get some rust in the lower rear bedside here. So I'll just give you guys some tips of how I do it. Show you the rust. Bumper's already been taken off, taillight's already out. That's both sides we're doing. And this is the other side over here. I've already taken out the wheel liner and the flare. And there's the rust on this side. I'll be cutting it out. I'll show you the way I do it. I think it's the right way. These are the panels. Brand new panels for it. So I've already cut the rust out of this panel. This is a new panel I'm putting on. So I've cut the rust out. I've epoxy primed. I've sandblasted, epoxy primed. I did a little patch right here. Epoxy primed. Then I painted 3 coats of single stage black just to give some protection so it won't rust. I've done that, and I painted the inside 3 coats of the urethane single stage on the inside so I have no rust issues. I don't just leave the factory primer there because it's very thin and it doesn't last and it will just rot. So that's what I've done. I like to treat all the surfaces, put it in, rust proof it, weld it in, then afterwards I'll go back in again and re-rust proof everything else. Okay? So that's pretty much how I do my work. I'll show you when I weld everything on. But I cut all my rust out. Everything's cut out. Sandblasted. I go beyond, about 1 inch beyond where the rust was, so that I know that the rust is gone, and then that's where I put my panel on. So we have our demo rocker panel here. So before I weld anything on, I like to spray rust proofing in there, just so I coat everything on the inside, outside, all the way around. I coat like that, and then I'll weld, and it should catch on fire. You ready? So that's how I weld. No fire, just smokes a little bit. So that's what I like to do, just so we have less possibilities of rust down the road. I just like to have everything on the inside all coated with that material. I gotta take a trip over to my friend's place where I give him all my junk stuff. I gave him a Trans Am for scrap, and I keep going over there all the time because I need pieces off it constantly. So this piece here, somebody put it in, kind of hacked it. So we're gonna go over to my friend's place, see if it's any good, see if we can use it on this car. I think there was something else I wanted off that car too. Oh yeah, there's a posi rear end out of it I want for that car over there, which is covered. And there's also something else. Oh, the intake and the carburetor I want for that one. So we're gonna go take a trip over to my friend's, see what's left of that car that I cut apart. Let's go see what we got.
Who's that thing up there?
What's what? All right, here we go. We gotta find our way in. I think I got in this way before. Find my car. Where's my parts? There he is, right there. There's my car. So there's the Trans Am.
Yeah.
All right, so there's our part. This is junk, but I need this piece.
Are we taking this off right now?
I'm gonna come back and cut it. I had to see if it was any good.
Got it.
So that's good. So that piece is good. So we're happy there. Well, I want to come back and get this. I want this intake for the 4-barrel carburetor to put on that other car I have. So this is my Trans Am I gave to my buddy. I want to get the posi out of it for that black car I got from my buddy. Got back from my buddy. I tried to buy this car back when I was 17 years old. The guy would not sell it to me. Finally got this car in, when did I get it? About 5 years ago?
Do you think he'd be happy with what you did to it?
Yeah. Well, he went to a nursing home.
Oh.
But he would never sell it to me, and it was really nice years ago.
Yeah.
17, wouldn't sell it to me. I finally got this car when I was 50.
Wow.
I'll be 54 in another 2 months. But it was junk. The leaf spring's all gone, and right through the floor, it's just, the rails, it's just junk. Yeah. It's just rotted to hell. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Next week, I'm gonna show a more in-depth, more involved rocker panel replacement. You'll see that next week. So like and subscribe if you like the videos. Let me know comments if you want to see anything else, if you want to see more rust repair, less rust repair, and more of the other cars. I'd like to know. And so we'll be doing the Tacoma next week for the rockers. We'll be doing his rims.
Yep, we'll be showing you guys how to repaint a set of wheels and fix some curb rash. So if you need to do that in your own car, tune in. You'll see how to do it the right way.
Yeah, and then just like I said, let me know more things you'd want to see. So thank you. We'll get a little bit of R&R.
Yeah.